Hello again.
Živijo spet.
Last time I was talking about the glory of God in a relationship with Him.
Zadnjič sem vam govoril o Božji slavi in o odnosu z njim.
When Adam and Eve sinned, fear came in.
Ko sta Adam in Eva grešila, je prišel strah.
The world is having a lot of fear right now.
Trenutno je v svetu zelo veliko strahu.
One of the biggest pandemics is fear itself.
Največja epidemija je pravzaprav epidemija strahu.
So how do we deal with fear?
In kaj se narediti?
Love casts out fear.
Ljubezen izžene strah.
When we know that God loves us, then we will not have any fear.
Ko vemo, da nas Bog ljubi, potem nimamo več strahu.
When you know that somebody loves you, you trust them.
Ko veš, da te nekdo ljubi, potem mu zaupaš.
You know that they won't hurt you.
Veš, da ti ne bo naredil nič slabega.
You know that they're trying to help you.
Veš, da ti hoče pomagati.
You know that they love you.
In veš, da te ljubi.
So when we trust God,
Ko torej zaupamo Bogu,
when we believe that He loves us,
ko mu verjamemo, da nas ljubi,
then we won't have any fear.
potem nas ne bo nič strah.
By having a relationship with God,
In ko imamo odnos z Bogom,
we end up experiencing His love.
zaključimo tako, da imamo izkustvo njegove ljubezni.
But how do we help the other people that aren't experiencing love?
Kako pa lahko drugim pomagamo, ki pa nimajo izkušnje Božje ljubezni?
How do we help people that are full of fear?
Kako pomagamo ljudem, ko so polni strahu?
Fear controls people.
Strah vlada nad ljudmi.
It causes people to do things they wouldn't normally do.
Naredijo stvari, ko jih je strah, ki jih drugače sploh ne bi.
But when you know that God loves you,
Ampak ko veš, da te ima Bog rad,
you don't have to be afraid.
te pa ni več strah.
You're not controlled by the world.
In svet te ne obvladuje več.
You have a different way of thinking.
In drugače razmišljaš.
So how do we help our neighbors and our friends?
Kako lahko tole pomagamo našim sosedom in prijateljem?
Introducing them to God is the key.
To, da jih predstavimo Bogu, to je ključ.
But not a God who has a lot of requirements,
Ampak ne Bogu, ki ima veliko zahtev,
but a God who loves them unconditionally.
ampak Bogu, ki jih ljubi brezpogojno.
God desires to spend time with them.
Bog si želi preživeti čas z njimi.
God desires to bless them.
Bog jih želi blagosloviti.
He's not looking for any requirements.
On ne postavlja nobenih zahtev.
He simply wants to have a relationship.
On bi sam rad bil v odnosu.
Next time, I want to share some of the things that are included in that relationship with God.
In naslednjič, ko se slišimo, bi rad z vami podelil nekaj stvari, ki so vključeni v ta odnos z Bogom.
See you tomorrow.
Se vidimo jutri.